Journalists are always there in the quest for truth, justice, and national development. They are frontline workers, and most times we barely have time to check ourselves. So this administration decided to take it upon themselves to make sure that we have a monthly check. Yes, we've not been doing it, but for us it's a new era. It is all about one voice. We are changing the narrative. The press week is here next month in July. We'll also have one, and I would want to say thank you to Nizamiye Hospital for taking up this challenge. You know, we approached them and they say journalists are their friends, and they decided to take up this laudable, achievement. So for us, we will continue to do everything possible. It is our desire to see how we can get health insurance for our members. So with the outcome of the various tests that will be conducted today, we'll definitely know which of the health insurance scheme we will embark on to assist members who can barely, go to the hospital or barely afford the fund to take care of themselves. So
collaboration of the Armed Forces of Nigeria with the Nigerian Union of Journalists cannot actually be overemphasized. With respect to, public enlightenment on public health, issues of public health, which are very vital. Like we all know, a healthy workforce is an available workforce. So the Chief of the Naval Staff, Chief of Defense Staff, has actually, as part of his, command philosophy, made it very critical to ensure that everybody is healthy, and that is why we place very high premium on health, in that every year we actually conduct medical tests for both men and officers of the various services in order to know if there are issues, medical issues to attend to, so that we can we can get to know those.
And these joints may have any problem or not. This is the first stage. After identifying their sickness and diseases, we will take to another step, which is in the hospital level. So in some patients may need further investigations and diagnostic tests. Some of your patients may have the surgical treatment. So after finishing the management, we'll come to the conclusion.
What about for eye problems? Have you noticed any member or members with the issue of eye issues?
So, as you know,
bottom line is, because of the pressure of work, societal pressure, economic pressure, what have you and what have not, a lot of us hardly do find time to go out and check anything as it concerns our well-being. But they have accorded us an opportunity to come and get checked, and not just get checked, but get checked for free. And I can assure you that this is apt, is a step in the right direction, and I want to see more of this, largely because if we get to make this a part of who we are, life will become a lot better. A lot of us have fallen ill, and we have, the sudden death syndrome in some very extreme cases. And these are preventable occurrences if only we give credence to getting health checks every.
sí fóònù tí a máa fi bèrè ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ó lóun rán yàn pé èèyàn lọ pé lẹ́sìn bọ̀ pé lẹ́sìn bọ̀ pé làwọn. ó dẹ̀ gbé ó ní èèyàn mẹ́rin ló fi sùn.
Now just go.